In this video we are going to check out the best 5 3D printers. Okay, let's see the features to find the best ones.
Stay tuned by subscribe for next updates. And give me your valuable opinion.
Best of 5. Flash Forge 3D Printer. A sturdy metal frame that is substantially more stable than the creator's original wood frame. Build volume 8.9 by 5.8 by 5.9 inches. Aviation level aluminum plate with a thickness of 6.3 mm guarantee its surface is completely flat and will not warp during heating process. Metal platform support plus 10 mm guide rod ensure a precise Z-axis movement and prevent platform arm from deforming. Enclosed chamber insulates and protects ABS prints. Filament diameter 1.75 mm. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 4. Cheedy Touchscreen 3D Printer. Single extruder and injection mold of 3D printer make it easy, stable printing at one time, smooth surface without wire drawing. High quality aluminum plate, high flatness, effectively solve printing faults, heat evenly after heating. The self-developed professional 3D slicing software adopts a new intelligent model segmentation technology. 3D printer is equipped with 3.5-inch touchscreen, which make it sensitive and avoid screen garbled. The LCD touchscreen design allows you to experience a more user-friendly 3D printer interface. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 3. Comgrow Ender 3 3D Printer. Ender 3 has the ability to resume printing even after a power outage or lapse occurs. It comes with several assembled parts. You only need about 2 hours to assemble 20 nuts well. Upgraded extruder greatly reduces plugging risk and bad extrusion. V-slot with palm wheels make it move noiseless, smoothly and durable. Safety protected power supply only needs 5 minutes for hot bed to reach 110. Strict testing for key components before delivery and lifetime technical supports. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 2. Elegoo Neptune 3D Printer. 3 steps to set up the whole printer with semi-assembly components, and within 5 minutes you can start your first printing. Compatible with most filaments like PLA, ABS, TPU, etc. Carbide glass build platform with excellent adhesion and easy to remove model after printing. Durable quality for long-term use. Neptune uses Meanwell LRS 350,350 watt single output switching power supply. Auto resume feature will continue printing once the power is back on again, just in case of power outage. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 1. Flash Forge Finder 3D Printers. Slide-in build plate allows printed objects to be easily removed. 3.5-inch full-color touchscreen with intuitive icons makes for easy operation. Sturdy, plastic alloy construction ensures stable prints. Safe, non-heated build plate. Wi-Fi, USB, flash drive and cloud connectivity. Printing material, PLA only. Check the description for best price and details.
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned by subscribe for next updates. Please give me your precious opinion clicking by like, share and comments.